Hola a todas, bienvenida de otro episodio de canal. Esta es tu Nihal G del Departamento Computer Science and Engineering USN 1B20CS 102 haciéndose sexto sem. Entonces en video de vamos. Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the topic multi-tier architecture in data warehouse. So this topic comes under data mining and data warehouse. So we'll discuss about all the tiers. There are three different tiers in the architecture of data warehouse. So let's understand them one by one in this presentation. Multi-tier architecture. Data warehouse is referred to as data repository that is maintained separately from organizations' operational data. Multi-tier data warehouse architecture consists of following components: bottom tier, top tier, and middle tier. So let's understand all the three tiers one by one. So this is a diagram of three-tier data warehouse architecture. It is also called as three-tier data warehouse architecture. So let's understand it one by one. The top tier we can see we have query and report, analysis, and data mining. In the middle tier, so this is the output we'll get after the bottom tier, middle tier, and top tier. So we'll come we will come from the bottom tier. The bottom tier has operational databases and external sources. So there is five processes which will take place. It will extract, clean, transform, load, and then refresh. And the bottom tier has monitoring, administration, metadata repository, data warehouse, data marks. So this will be next forwarded to the middle tier. The middle tier has OLAP servers, that is online analytical processing. So these servers are used in the middle tiers. So this was a diagram for three-tier data warehouse architecture. So let's discuss one by one. Bottom tier. The bottom tier usually consists of data sources and data storage. It is a warehouse database server, for example, RDBMS. In bottom tier, using the application program interface called gateways. The application program interface is also called as gateways. Data is extracted from operational and external sources. Application program interfaces like ODBC, Open Database Connections, OLEDB, Open Linking and Embedding for databases, JDBC, Java Database Connection is supported. So the application program interfaces, the application interfaces like JDBC, ODBC, OLEDB, all these interfaces are being supported in bottom tier. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. This is three steps which will be taken place: extract, transform, and then the load. Let's come to the middle tier. The middle tier is an OLAP servers, that is a typical. So in the middle tier, you can observe that there are all the OLAP servers present. A relational OLAP ROLAP model, an extended relational database management system that maps operations from standard data to standard data, or a multi-dimensional OLAP model, a special purpose serves that directly implements multi-dimensional data and operations. So in multi-dimensional OLAP, there will be three dimension. There are three-dimensional thing, or 2D and 3D. There are two types. So there can be three types in it. So let's move on. The middle tier OLAP server model comes in three different categories, including ROLAP, that is relational database, and MOLAP, that is multi-dimensional, and HOLAP, that a combination of relational and multidimensional. It's basically a hybrid version of a relational and multidimensional. So let's understand what is relational and multidimensional. A relational database is not converted into a multidimensional database. Rather, a relational database is actively broken down into several dimensions as a part of relational online analytical processing. This is used whenever everything that is contained in the repository is relational database system. A different type of online analytical processing called multidimensional online analytic processing includes directories and catalogs that are immediately integrated into its multidimensional database system. This is used when all that is contained in the repository is multidimensional database system. Hybrid, a combination of rational. So the current presently has gone, it will come back. A combination of relational and multidimensional analytical processing diagrams is a hybrid online analytical processing. Whole app is an ideal operation for a seamless function follow across repository houses both the relational database management system and multi-dimensional database management systems. Top tier. The top tier is a front-end client layer which includes query and reporting tools, analysis tools, and or data mining tools. Here are few top tier tools that are often used: SAP BW, SAS Business Intelligence, IBM Cognos, Crystal Reports, Microsoft BI platform. So these were the few top tier tools which are often been used in the top tier. So with this we have learned all the three tiers, that is top tier, middle tier, and the bottom tier, which is also called as three tier architecture in for the data warehouse. So with this, this is the end of the presentation. So before ending the presentation, as always I do in my videos, let's conclude this video with an quote. So the quote for this video is: the harder the battle, the sweeter is the victory. So the harder you fight for your battle, the sweeter will be the victory, and the more and you'll be more happy for the victory you have. The sweeter will be the victory. So with this, we come to the end of this presentation. Thank you everyone for joining this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you one and all. I appreciate your time.